Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use this automatic Ryobi tire inflator. I've got an old bike here that has been sitting through the off season, and I'm getting ready to put some air in it. And I thought maybe I'd just show you guys how this thing works and how easy they are to use. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the tire itself. It's hard to do this one-handed. All right, so I got it on there. And if you notice here at the very top, that's what it's set at. I need to put it at 33 pounds. So in case you want to, if your tire takes less, you just push down like that. And you notice the number changes, but I need to have it at 33. Right now, it's only at 11 PSI is what this is inflated at. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the play button here. That'll make it start. You can see as it starts raising up. Okay, and then when it's done, it starts flashing and it automatically stops. Then you just take your valve stem off of there, and that's how you use the automatic tire inflator by Ryobi.